The 2015 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, UCONNECT hands-free group, panic alarm, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.